Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and this is your best curbside deal over at Walgreens for the week of the, let me see here, the 5th to the 11th of July. So you're doing this curbside, and for the newer shoppers, what does that mean? That means you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, adding it to a basket, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check. And if you can't add the stuff to your cart, it's probably maybe sold out in your region. But you can save a little bit more with different codes, and a lot of people prefer to shop this way. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to be in store specifically, watch yesterday's video. Tons of deals with register rewards, and we have like 2 freebies, and it's a really great week. You might want to check out this video. I will link it at the very end. And to let you guys know, they did something really weird. 25% off of Patriotic if you like to decorate for the 4th, or you just like having these little odds and ends. It's still not at that sweet 50% off, and I think it'll go 50 to 80 very quickly because they want the room for back to school. But keep an eye on that through the app. Let's get right into it, guys, with deal number 1. I would do this deal quick because it's going to get sold out very quickly. We're going to throw in one of these Boost Complete nutritional drinks, vanilla. This specific one, it's like a plus one. And then we're also going to toss in this cheaper one. And these are the 6 counters as well. And this one's $5.99. There's a 6 off of 2 that are applying to both. And it's on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but when it's really hot outside, I can't really eat food. So this 120-degree weather, this is quite ideal. Tossing in the code WAG10, you're saving an additional $1.35. And you see that gorgeous 6 off of 2 digital coupon melting off right there. So the 2 drinks are $19.48, or the 2 6 counts of Boost. WAG10 taking $1.35 off. You have your $6 coupon melting off, so $12.13. When you go to pick this up at the store, please ask the cashier to process this through a regular register. You need it at a regular register so you can get a physical receipt. That receipt is critical. Because guess what? Over on Fetch, there's 6,000 points. On the control and on the regular, that's 12,000 points, basically $12. Deal is absolutely critical that you need a receipt. If you are going to not say anything, you have to say something like, hey, can you process this through a regular register? If they use that handheld, it's called a Zebra, you won't get a receipt, and you need a physical receipt for both Fetch and IBOTTA. Over on IBOTTA, it's $2 back for the 6 count of the plus and a 6 count of the original. So with the hot weather, if this is something that you like, by all means, get some. Or alternatively, if you have an elderly person or if you want to donate this, a really fantastic item. It's like a $2 moneymaker. Okay, deal number 2. Now, I know not every store has these body washes. They're called Olly, and it's some sort of like vitamin and fancy body wash. They're $10 this week. So we're going to toss 2 of them into a cart for $20, and we have one $4 digital coupon that's applying to this friend. We can also use the code WAG10 to take off an additional $1.60. So you're basically getting, with the coupon and the code, $5.60 off. So hopefully this just shows the power of curbside shopping. That's why a lot of us appreciate it a little bit more. And then just to show you, your overall total here for this basket is $20, $10 per body wash, subtracting the $1.60 for WAG10 and the $4 digital. You're paying $15.50. If you want to use some Walgreens cash, by all means, go for it. You can use up to 10. Pay the $5.50. And then when you go to the store, make sure to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you can get a receipt, because Fetch has 5,000 points for each body wash. At Walgreens, you're getting $10 back. So after everything's said and done, not factoring in the tax, it's like $2.20 per body wash if you've ever wanted to try this fanciness. Okay, deal number 3 for this one. We're going to be grabbing 2 of the FIFA body washes. So the men or the women's FIFA body wash for $9.98. I think the men's is $8, but I could not find it in this area. And if you still have your 10 off 2 coupon It's going to come off here, and then you get $8 of Walgreens cash for buying 2. It's written below when you look at this body wash. And then 2 of these Febreze car clips for $3.49, and that $3.50 off of 2 is in fact attaching, making it a buy one, get one free. And then just to show you our 10 off for the FIFA, and then $3.50 off for the Febreze, and then a $2 off using Senior 20. I don't know why that one popped off, but it came off for me. And then looking at the overall total, it's $26.96, $2 off, $13.50 in digital coupons. Pay $12.96, get back $8 for the FIFA body wash. Alternatively, if you can't find FIFA, you can just grab the regular one and use the 5 off 2 coupon, and it should work for you. If you want to use up to $10 in Walgreens cash for this one, go for it, but not a bad little deal. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 4. This one is for some fancier razors. We're going to be going with the Mach 3 for $9.99. We have a $3 digital, so please make sure you have the coupons and you're loading them. You just press that little plus button. It's quite easy to do to load all of your digital coupons. And then the ladies, we're going to grab this one for $8.99. Ideally, if you could find 2 of these, but I know that might be a tall order because I was only able to put like one in a basket at a couple different stores. I don't know why, but it is what it is. Toss in one of these Neutrogena face tints for $3.99. Original price almost $16. No digital coupon to go with this, but lots of Neutrogena is on clearance. And the final item, 2 of these Febreze car clips for $6.98. My God, those are really expensive, as is the cosmetics. Wow. Just showing you guys, WAG10 taking 35 cents off, and there is our gorgeous chorus line of coupons. And the overall total is $29.95, 35 cents melting off, and $9.50 in coupons. If you want to use up to $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $1.88, and for buying 2 of the razors, you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. I know a lot of you have problems with register rewards not printing. Just an alternative deal if you were looking for some cheap razors this week. Deal number 5. I don't know if you guys are going through a ton of lotion this summer, but I certainly am. Nivea has this promotion that when you spend 20, you get back 10. Because the word spend is in there, one of the many rules over at Walgreens, we have to pay for the balance with your debit card. So just remember that. So in this basket, we're going to throw in 2 of these lotions for $11.99. I know there's some on clearance, so if your region might have them for $5.99, obviously throw in 4 of them into a cart if you can. Now the math gets a bit skewed here, so we have to throw in one more item, which is this tiny little $1.49. That's also part of the promotion, and it's written on it like, spend 20 to earn back 10. I had a promotion code come off for this. I think it was Senior 20, and it took $5.10 off, which is a huge amount. But skincare is sometimes part of that. It's like something you could pay with an OTC card. So after that, it's still at $20. So for the spend 20 to earn back 10, you're there. You're going to have to pay $21.59 with your debit card, and you're earning back 10 as the promotion is to spend the following to earn back so much. And when you're doing this curbside, you have to pay with your debit card. You can't use a Walgreens cash or register rewards, obviously, because you're doing this curbside. So just remember that because the verbiage is a little bit tricky in this one. The final deal that we're looking at is a little bit of cosmetics, and I was looking at some of this makeup. Holy moly, it's really gotten expensive. CoverGirl is still an affordable line, but some of the other lines, like you're paying like $19, $20 for something that we were getting for $12 a couple years back, like the Neutrogena line. Anyhow, this CoverGirl face with the 5 off 2, it's buy one, get one 50% off, and then just an eye pencil. And over on IBOTTA, there is a rebate, and it's $3 back for a face and $3 back for an eye product. If you guys want to go in store, scan all this stuff, and then put your order in that way, just to make sure that IBOTTA is attaching. I know a lot of old school couponers do it that way. It's just easier, and you still get your WAG10 discount. You absolutely can do that. And sometimes if you just grab whatever you're grabbing and then go to the photo counter with it and say, I have my order here, but I put a curbside order in, they'll just fulfill it on the spot with you. Don't forget to ask them to process it through a regular register so you get a receipt for IBOTTA, $6 back. Okay, and I also threw in one of these disinfectant wipes for $1.99. That's actually a really good price point. just to get the math to balance. So just to show you our little course line of savings, CoverGirl, WAG 10, and Senior 20, that kept popping off on certain items, but not all items. Maybe because I had a Walgreens product, I don't know, but an extra 40 cents off, I'll take it. Overall total here for the basket is $16.72, $1.37 coming off with the two different codes, WAG 10 and Senior 20, and then an additional $5 off in manufacturer coupons. You can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.27 if you might have it. Get that receipt for $6 back from IBOTTA. It makes your CoverGirl a very affordable price point. Yesterday's video is linked right here. We will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.